So we'll generally start with the first question which everyone has in mind. And I'm sure you've come across this before, especially the first time investors who we usually meet at property shows or webinars. What should we look for? How should we make an investment decision? So Tony, do you want to take that?
Yeah, okay, so it's a good place to start as any. I think the step that comes before that is to understand why you want to invest in property in the first place. Because without that key factor, it's just another speculation. Beyond that, if you understand that property is something to form part of your balanced and diversified portfolio, the investment decision has to be based on a number of factors. One, do I understand it? Two, can I get on with the people promoting the investment? Three, have I taken up references on those individuals, due diligence? Four, can I afford it? And then five, will the deal stack up both today, tomorrow, and into the longer future? If all of those tick the right boxes, then make the investment, but keep it to hold, not to sell. The longer you hold the asset, the more remunerative it will be.